Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on Work Item Insights. It is a capability of Copilot4DevOps designed to help you quickly understand the health, readiness, and risk of any work item. For any work item in Azure DevOps, you can find Work Item Insights directly in the Copilot4DevOps tab. Work Item Insights provides AI-powered insight cards that surface a work item's overall health and current status. These cards make it easy to see whether a work item is well-defined, complete, and ready to move forward in your workflow. You will also see risk and gap identification, where Copilot4DevOps highlights missing details, unclear requirements, or potential blockers, giving you a head start on improving work item quality before it enters development or review. Work Item Insights offers two views, Cards and Compact. Cards give you a visual, high-level summary, while Compact View condenses the information into a streamlined format for quicker review. You can also control how insights are organized. Use SDLC flow sorting to follow standard delivery phases, or switch to risk sorting to prioritize the highest risk issues at the top. When you need to share findings or include analysis in documentation, Work Item Insights lets you export the full report to Word or PDF, ready for planning meetings, reviews, or audits. Finally, each insight card includes direct navigation into the relevant Copilot4DevOps feature. You can jump straight in to open the Analyze feature for a deeper quality review, or Elicit to adjust requirements, all from within the Insight panel. With Work Item Insights, teams spend less time manually reviewing work items and more time acting on clear, AI-powered decisions. Thank you for watching.